What is up, guys? Danny FL5 here, bringing you guys another video. This will be a short video, short one today. I'm currently sitting in my 2023 Honda Civic Type R FL5, and I wanted to make this video to show you guys that I either have an FL5 or an 11 gen Honda Civic. These cars tend to have problems with the informative system, especially when I'm running Apple Carplay. Either with Waze or Google Maps, it tends to get like pixelated after a while, after it's running for a while. I'm not sure if people with Android Auto may have this issue, but I wanted to show you guys how to fix that. The way to fix that is to basically disable the factory or internal navigation system. So most of us use Waze, Google Maps from our phones, so we don't really need the internal GPS, and it definitely helps the system not run as hot or using a lot of memory, and it has worked for me. I've been running it like this for about 3 weeks to a month now, and so far so good. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. Alright guys, so I'll show you how to do that now. So let's go ahead and get the screen powered up here. So I had done this already, but I reverted back for the purpose of this video so I can show you guys. So as you can see down here, we have the navigation. So again, this is the regular navigation that comes with the car. So what we'll do from here, go to your home, and then from here go to your general settings, click on that, and then once you click on that, go to system, and then you're going to scroll down and you're going to click detail information. Once you click detail information, you're going to see app manager. Click on that, and then you're going to get a list of all the applications within the system. So we're going to scroll down to navigation. So you see navigation there. So we'll go ahead and select that, and then just click disable. So we're going to click disable there, disable app. So as you can see, the shortcut disappears since we disabled GPS. So you can either leave it like that, or you can actually set up another shortcut if you like. And if you wanted to put another shortcut there, you can just do that by basically grabbing one of these, press and hold, and then drag it there. But yeah, disabling the GPS has helped a lot. I'm not experiencing those issues anymore. So if you guys want to give it a try, follow these steps. Let me know down in the comments, if it worked for you, if it helped, and if you know any other 11 gen or FL5 owners having this issue, share this video with them. But yeah, it's a simple fix. I hope it helps. If you guys like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I'm brand new to YouTube, so I would like you guys support, and I appreciate you guys watching. Again, this is Danny FL5. Thank you for watching, and have a good one.